If you're waiting to hear a great big voice respond to you while you are in the flesh after praying, that is not going to happen. Depending on what you're seeking from the Most High, Yah may respond quickly or respond at a later time. When the Most High answer your prayers, He will send His holy angels to give you the answer. If you're connected with your divine helpers, the holy angels, you will receive the answer to your prayers. The reason some people believe the Most High do not respond to their prayers, they are looking in the beast system for the answers. You will not find the Most High in the beast system. That is why you must look within. Israelites, you can find countless examples of the Most High sending His angels to give His people the answer to a prayer, as well as helping His people escape from trouble after they prayed. The scriptures gave us a story of Peter being imprisoned in Jerusalem. Once the people of the Most High prayed without ceasing for Peter, the Most High responded.